just deleted so much old vlog footage so I can have a clean memory card. Yay! Even though technically I don't think YouTubers do that. I think they just buy new memory cards, but I can't afford that, so. Hi. But Sam, you go shopping all the time. Yeah, I know, there's that too. First of all, I know this is the same exact look and hair and everything from the last video, but I'm pre-filming, but the positive note is I'm finally on my camera because it charged to 70%. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you guys a hair favorites, hair care, everything that I'm using on my hair right now as far as products and what I've done to my hair, because it's been probably about almost 4 months since I started highlighting my hair again, and I haven't done it since I did it the first time back in the beginning of July. So we are overdue for that, and that video is coming soon. And it's really funny because one of my cousins in North Carolina, she is a hairdresser at a salon, and if she sees me bleaching my own hair, she's probably gonna kill me. I'm sorry in advance, and I'm sorry to any of you guys that are hairstylists, hairdressers, like do anything with hair professionally. I apologize, because this is probably one of those videos that they're gonna tell you, don't do this. And most of you guys already know I had a history of this. When I had black hair for 3 years, I box dyed it constantly to red blonde, wow, to red purple hair, like maroon hair. And when I went and got that done, the girls were like, don't you ever put black wax dye in your hair again, because it was the worst thing to get out of my hair. Like, it was terrible. And then I went back brown, and then I went blonde, and then I went blonde again, and then I cut my hair and let it grow out and put pink in it on the ends, and now I am highlighting. So the reason why I started blonde highlights was because I genuinely love being blonde. I miss being blonde. I've done the whole spiel a million times, but I feel like a happier person when I'm blonde, so hence why. But I am naturally this color, as most of you guys know. I'm like a light ash brown, I guess that's what you want to call it, but I do get blonde highlights in my hair. It's a complicated thing. I apologize for all the years where my eyebrows were very dark and my hair was very dark, but I'm actually thinking about going back dark. I don't know, because I love being blonde. I feel like this is the color that I should have been born with, to be honest. Like, I should, well, not this color, like a brighter blonde, but I really love the multi-dimensional blonde. Can't talk. I really love the multi-dimensional kind of blonde, but the bad thing about that is when I went to get it at the salon the other time, like, no offense to AKC Hair, they did a great job on my hair both times, but I feel like I didn't get what I wanted. Like, I really wanted like multi-dimension, and then I was kind of thinking maybe I didn't ask for the right thing, and then I wasn't taking care of it properly because I was taking all the different people's advice, and that's how my hair broke off, and then I had to cut my hair, and it was just a huge thing. So with that all being said, I decided that if I'm gonna do highlights, if I'm gonna go blonde again, I'm gonna just do it myself, because like, if I fuck it up, it's on me. So there's that. But when I eventually do hopefully go to North Carolina to meet my family, hopefully, I would like my cousin to do my hair. So Steph, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is what has to be done, because your girl is not gonna, right now, I cannot afford to pay $300 to get my hair done. Like, I'm sorry. It's not, no. It's just, it's not, nah. I've done it already. I don't want to do it again. So yeah. Frost kit that I use, the highlight kit, is the L'Oreal Frost and Design and Champagne for light blonde to dark blonde hair, which is what I did not have. So it probably didn't work as effective as if I used the darker version, but this is the kind of highlights that I wanted. As you guys can see, like, not exactly like that, but I definitely wanted like the multi-dimensions. Like, I wanted light pieces and darker blonde pieces and, you know, my brown pieces, and like, I just wanted it all mixed together. So the first time I did it, obviously it's this cap mechanism right there, which is hell. It's terrible, awful. My sister had to pull my hair through it. It was that bad, and it hurt so bad. So this time when I do my hair, I am going to be getting a mixing bowl, mixing brush, like all like not professional, let's be real. I'll probably go to the Dollar Tree and find something similar, but I'm definitely going to just randomly put highlights where I can in my hair, probably going over a lot of this. And then there is a big part of it, which if I take my hair out, I'll show you guys underneath, that we didn't get completely. So I do still have like this part of my hair that's still brown, which is weird, but you can't tell from the outside, so I just left it for so long. I definitely don't want highlights going all the way to my roots. Like I like this like rooted look. Like I like my natural hair to grow through because I kind of feel like it's healthy still even though it's been bleached. So there's that. But I personally just want to do my hair myself. If I fuck it up, it's on me. So this is the kit I'm going to be using. I already opened it to make sure everything was in there, but I got this for like $8, $9 at Walmart, Ulta, Target, wherever they sell hair stuff. This is where I got mine. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And that's what I did to my hair the first time. Hence why a lot of my highlights, as you guys can see, like start at a certain place or start all over the place. As far as hair products go, tone my hair, but I do it twice a month, so every 2 weeks, because the last time when I was toning my hair a lot, it was, oh my god, I really feel like that's what really broke my hair at the end, because my hair was very golden blonde. I didn't like that. I wanted it to be more ashy blonde. I wanted it to be more like bright blonde, like almost bleach blonde, but not quite there, you know what I mean? I started toning my hair constantly, and that's probably what did it. Let's be real. Heating products on it, and it just became a mess. I almost actually gave this away, so I'm very happy I didn't. Along with this, you guys probably remember this the first time I went blonde. This is the Matrix Total Results So Silver Purple Shampoo to neutralize yellow. What I do with this now is I literally just put it in my hair like on a Sunday. I will just run it through everywhere that there's blonde, and I will just put it on in a clip on the top of my head for about 10 minutes. I don't do any more than 10 minutes because paranoid. Hi. And then after that, I will just rinse it out in the shower, and I will finish with the Bedhead Dumb Blonde Constructor for chemically treated hair. I got mine at TJ Maxx for like 13 bucks, but it's pretty nice. I don't know. I feel like after I use this sometimes, putting this in my hair, since it's yellow, it makes my hair yellow again. Like, call me crazy. I mean, if there's any hair professionals out there, let me know, because as you guys can see, it is yellow and it smells like really fruity and good. But I kind of feel like low-key it makes my hair yellow. Like as soon as I'm done with this and I put something that's colored yellow, like this, even this Reconstructor in my hair, it just makes it yellow again. Call me paranoid, call me crazy, I don't know, that's just me. These two have still been in my life. I'm very happy I kept these. But I heard there's another purple shampoo on Amazon that's life-changing. So if any of you guys know the name of it, let me know, because I would love to try that one. See if it works better than this, because that's literally the only purple shampoo I've ever used. So the other 2 weeks that I don't use those, I will obviously use just regular shampoo and conditioner. I'm still using these. Like, who am I? Like, that's how much I wash my hair once a week. That's something else I forgot to mention. You guys, most of you know already, I wash my hair once a week. I condition it once a week, but I'll get into that. I'm still using the Organix Frosted Sugar Cookie shampoo and conditioner from Kandee Johnson. The conditioner is like down to here right now in the shower, and this is probably like here, long hair life at least. So once I'm done with these, I'm going to dip into my other shampoos and conditioners, but I'm still using these when I'm not using the toner and the Reconstructor. Back to conditioning once a week. I'll usually do it Wednesday or Thursday depending on the week and depending how bad my hair feels. Like last week my hair felt so dry and gross. I really feel like it's the weather changing, and just like even right now it kind of feels a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was last week. Like last week it was bad. I started using the Nelson J Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask, which I've talked about in my current favorites video already. Really love this. It detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. I don't even know if I'm using it the correct way, to be honest. I literally won't wash my hair, won't put shampoo in or anything. I will just put this all the way up to where the blonde is on my head for the most part. Sometimes I won't get all the way up there, and I will just put it up with a hair clip while I'm showering, do my business, and then rinse it out at the end. And my hair feels so nice after, you guys. It's incredible. Like, I really love this hair mask so much, and if you can't afford it, I don't know how much it is. Sorry guys, I'll try to put prices down below of everything, but this is really great. I do like it a lot, but nothing will compare or replace my Dollar Tree hair masks or the L'Oreal Damage Erasing Balm. There you go. There you go. Thought I was gonna forget that for a second. Okay, I'm just a weirdo. So when I get out of the shower, I've been using two products. The first, obviously, you guys already know. This is my favorite. It's a 10 leave-in miracle product. I do about 5 pumps of this. Just rub it in my hands, rub it through my hair, and I'm all done with it. But I really love this stuff. I do recommend. It is a great product. I think everyone has used this, honestly, but it's just really good, and I feel like it's worth the money. So definitely Black Friday, I'm gonna be on the lookout for this and my dry shampoo from Ulta. See if it's like discounted, because I need more. The other product is from the summertime. It is the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow leave-in conditioner with Procapil to fortify, detangle, and protects against breakage. So I will spray this in my hair when I'm done using the It's a 10. I'll just spray it like on this side, flip my hair over, spray it the other way, and then spray it like this part or section my hair and let my hair air dry. I don't use a lot of blow dryer. Like, I have my blow dryer I got for Christmas and I love it. I think I've used it twice since Christmas, but because I don't really use a hair dryer that much, but I love it. It's so cute. I'm looking at it and I'm like, I just literally don't use a hair dryer. I always air dry my hair. Call me a weirdo. So this is honestly my natural hair right now. Most of the time I do wear my hair natural because I just don't feel like dealing with any hot tools. But obviously I love to curl my hair. I love to straighten my hair, but it doesn't happen as much obviously with work. And sometimes on the weekends I'm just bored. Unless I'm going out somewhere, then I will straighten or curl my hair. But hot tools, I kind of limit that now because I don't have time. A girl does not have time. Let's be real. For a hairbrush, the one I've just been using is my wet brush. I got this from Kohl's for 10 bucks. You could probably get it somewhere way cheaper, let's be real, but I really like it a lot. It gets through my hair. I use this wet or dry. Again, call me a weirdo, but I use this either or. I don't care, but it's really great when your hair is wet, I will say. And then sorry, I have to clean the brush when I see it's all full of hair because it just drives me crazy. This is all my hair, throw that in the trash. But I do really love this brush a lot. I think it's a great investment. It works really well. Not as if my other brushes don't work as well, but I do really like this one right now. So as far as styling goes, there's only a few products I've been using lately, which you guys already know I've talked about in the favorites. The It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum, which is really great too. I did put it in today and I feel like it really helps cut the frizz and makes my hair feel a lot smoother and healthier. I don't know if that makes any sense. Healthier? Girl, your hair's bleached. It is not healthy. Like, I know it's not healthy. I really love this a lot. I think it's a great serum. Again, if you can afford it, or watch out for Black Friday deals like Ulta, wherever, because like these two It's a 10 products like are getting me through life right now because I feel like I need to use the best of the best now, almost, because a few things that are not the best here, but I feel like I need to start using better hair products because my hair has just been through the ringer for so many years that it's like, you know what, let's just spend the money, like whatever. Like, it's not like I've gone through this that much. Like, it's only down to here right now, and I've had this for quite a while now. Next, I have to go through hairspray. You guys know I'm not a huge hairspray person. I hate hairspray. I think it's trash because I don't feel like any hairspray satisfies me, and my hair always feels frizzy to me and I just don't like it, especially when I don't do anything to it. I've been using the Salon Selectives Humidity Resistant All Day Control Hold. This is from the Dollar Tree. It works pretty decent. It's not the best hairspray in the world. Like, you could definitely find a better one, but for $1 and if you need something quick, this is really great. It does hold my hair down. I like to spray my hair when I have a bun in, when I go to work, when I have a ponytail in, if I'm just gonna have like half my hair up for the day. Like, it really does hold it. That is the good thing about it, but I feel like it doesn't hold it. Like, if I sprayed my hair right now and I wanted it to still move, it's not gonna do that, or it's just gonna, like, I feel like there's no point to spraying like throughout your hair unless you're a stylist and you know what you're doing with it, because I don't. And I just feel like I don't see the point except to just like hold my hair down or hold my bun down or hold like the hair around where my ponytail is down. Other than that, I'm just like, I don't really care about hairspray. I say let's be real too much. Like, I need to just make a shirt. It says let's be real. My love. Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is the Light and Breezy Fresh. I got this for $5 at Five Below because I didn't want to spend $8 at Ulta, which was right next door. Smells really good. Oldie but a goodie. It gets it done. There's nothing more I can say about it, but I am going to wait for Black Friday because they had a deal last year. It was buy one, get one free. So girl is going to be stocking up on some Batiste because I use it almost every single day. I'm not even kidding because I wash my hair once a week. I've also been using this lately. I got it as a sample from Ulta. It's the REDken One United Multi-Benefit Treatment for all hair textures. It says it's like a heat protectant, spray all over your hair, blah blah blah, and I do like it as a heat protectant. That's the only time I use it, but it smells like old lady perfume, no offense. Kind of smells like a white diamond, Elizabeth Taylor white diamonds, which I've compared a few things to because that's the perfume that my grandma always used to wear. So it kind of smells like that. Not my favorite, but it's a pretty decent heat protectant. Like, I mean, it just protects your hair. I don't know. And then I have a couple other things here that I haven't been using lately, but you guys know I have the Garnier Flat Iron Protector. This is just as good heat protectant. This is probably like 20 bucks. I'm not even kidding, like the full size. This is probably like $7 at the drugstore. It just works just as well. It's just a heat protectant. Like, you don't need anything like fancy with that. I got my little Tarte Mermaid Wave Salt Spray, which I will only use in the summertime. But this does make my hair feel more frizzy, so I don't like to use it that much, but the bottle's really pretty, and you guys know I went crazy for, and it smells pretty decent too. Like, it doesn't smell like really weird, it doesn't smell like a wet pencil. Got to be. It's really nice. I do like it. It smells like lemony, it smells summery, it doesn't smell like gross. And it honestly, if you do get this and use it all the time, or you want to get it, don't use it 24/7 because it's gonna make your hair feel really gross. It's gonna feel big, it's gonna feel frizzy, and it's not gonna be a fun time. It just won't be a fun time, so yeah. But I think that's everything that I wanted to go over in this video. My camera's gonna overheat, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped you in some way. I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. And like this video if you enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. Share if you want. I mean, I'm not gonna judge you. And I'll have more videos coming soon. So yeah, I don't know what else I wanted to say to that, but I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.